What do you have here, Caden?
A marble run.
Is this a huge marble run that goes all the way down the stairs?
Yes.
All right, tell me when.
It's ready.
Okay.
Here it goes! Yes. Uh-oh.
Oops, it got stuck.
Uh-oh, the number 2 stuck.
Okay, we can fix it. Are they coming?
Not this one.
Oh, is it stuck in there?
Yes.
Oh, okay, we'll just take that marble out.
I'm gonna make it face on the.
There you go.
Can I look at the video?
Yeah, hold on. I'm going to show everybody how big this marble run is. It goes all the way up the stairs and all the way down the stairs.
Let's do the video.